Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with playing Forsaken with my friends. So I'm going to introduce you to them. Now this guy, his name is Raf, of course. He is also a YouTuber. He's actually a very good YouTuber. This guy is Mosh, and her name is Nikki or Nicotine. That's what we call her. Um, this is playing Forsaken with my friends. Yeah. So make sure you enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for the 7 subs again. Uh, yeah. Enjoy. Yeah. I'm also calling them, so yeah. You might hear me say random stuff, but I'm actually talking to them. Wow! Oh my bad! Oh! Oh! Brother's ankles! Yeah, bro, don't miss! Don't miss it back! How did you hit me? Ref, help! Ref! Wow! No! Ref! What? Oh no! What? No, 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 no. Why is he? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. Why? Why? Why not me? Why not me? Oh, there's no way. There's a no, no, no. The killers are having a 1v1. Wait, wait, Raf. You can kill Mosh. Raf, you can kill Mosh. Oh my, Nikki, you're not helping. Just watch. Oh yeah. Oh, oh, oh my gosh. Really? Let's just um um. Hey Nikki, do you have a medkit? Do you have a medkit? They're greedy. That's crazy. Oh. Wait, Nikki, why are you cheering fight? You're not even watching them. Okay. Nah, y'all got this. Y'all got this. You only got like 30 seconds left. Oh, you guys got 30 seconds left. uh, yeah. Well, who joined? No, not gonna lie, that was a W fight, but I think Raf won that fight.